Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my channel The Food Miles. This time I thought why not to present ice cream in another way than the usual. So here it is, fresh fig ice cream cake. Let's begin. First, let's make the fresh fig ice cream. For this we need 200 grams of fresh figs. If you take in numbers, it will be 10 medium-sized fresh figs. Remove the crown part and chop as fine as possible. Next, we'll be cooking these chopped fresh figs. In a kadai, let's take 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt completely on low flame. Here comes the sweetener. I'm adding 1/4 cup of jaggery. I had this dark colored jaggery. You can add dark brown sugar or normal brown sugar also. The idea is to get contrasting color streaks in the ice cream. Then the dark sweetener. Let it dissolve completely. Now let's add the chopped figs. Cook it on low flame for a while and then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. In between, just cover the kadai with lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes just to make sure that it's cooked completely. Now, the aim should be to get the thick jam-like texture. So stir it on a medium flame till it becomes thick. It has become thick now. So let's switch off the flame and transfer it to a bowl for cooling. Let's move on to making the ice cream base. Beat 1 cup of cold whipping cream till stiff peaks. Once done, add in half cup and a little more, around 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Mix with spatula gently until it's distributed evenly. Ice cream base is ready. To this, let's mix in our freshly cooked fig mixture. Fresh fig ice cream is ready. Let it set in freezer till we work on the biscuit base. I have taken an 8-inch spring foam pan. I'm placing a piece of aluminium foil at the base. This will make demolding easy. Take around 200 grams or 2 packets of Marie biscuits in a Ziploc bag and crush with roller. I thought to try this method this time to crumb the biscuits, but to be frank, using a mixer blender is much easier. Transfer the biscuit crumbs to a bowl. And add 1/3 cup of melted butter and mix them well. Time to set the biscuit layer of the ice cream cake. So start spreading and pressing the biscuit crumbs all over the pan. It's your choice. If you just want it at the base, reduce the quantity of biscuit crumbs and spread only at the base. Once done, let it freeze for 30 minutes, and it's better to bake the crust in preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes to get a firmer layer. I actually forgot to bake and still we enjoyed a lot. First layer done. Now the second layer. Ice cream. Spread it well evenly. Make sure it goes at all the edges. Third layer is nuts. I've taken toasted chopped almonds. Just toast around half a cup of almonds in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes and chop them. Spread the nuts evenly. And the final layer, chocolate. Take 150 grams or 1 cup of dark chocolate and add 1/3 cup of heavy cream and stir it. This is what happens when you heat your cream too much. Just microwave for 30 seconds and not more. Luckily, it didn't spoil my plan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix well. Smooth chocolate glaze is ready. Just pour it on top and spread. Now let this set in freezer overnight. Fresh fig ice cream cake is ready. Time to demold the cake. Garnish the ice cream cake with more chopped almonds and few silver leaves. Hope you liked the recipe. Do try this ice cream cake. You can make ice cream of other flavors too. Check out the description box for the link to my ice cream recipes. Do share your feedback in the comments section. Goodbye for now. Thank you and stay safe.